Children, it is a preparation for the next coming board exam. Here there is a daily practice questions for you. These are the questions for the first day. These are the daily practice questions for day 1. Now let us discuss about the solution of all these questions. All these questions are simple questions. In the first step, you must practice the simple questions. After that, let us discuss about the hard questions, that is the questions of high order thinking. Now, the first question. So, what is that first question? 8th term of AP 258 so on is. Here the options are A 25, B 23, C 28, D 30. Now, let us find the answer for here. Which is a choice for you. You have to select the correct answer. So, you know the formula to find the nth term. Let us consider the 8th term means that is the nth term. So, you take an equals a plus n minus 1. So, a8 means a plus 70. A plus 70. Here what is a? A is the first term 2. So, you can write 2 plus and 7 you write 7 only. What is D? D is 5 minus 2. D equals what? 5 minus 2, that is 3. So here you take D equals 3. Then 2 plus 7 3s are 21. You will get 23. So what is the answer here? Answer is B 23. So you write the answer B 23. Answer B 23. Now you take the second question. If the graphical representation of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Here the graphical representation of equation a1x plus b1 plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 is intersecting line. Then the suitable relation is, here if they are intersecting lines, they are having only one solution. They are having unique solution. If they are having unique solution, this is the suitable relation. A1 by A2 equals is not equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. You know that if A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2, the equation is having infinitely many solutions. They are the coincident lines. And if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, then the equation, the graphical representation becomes parallel lines. So they are having no solution. So they are intersecting means the lines are having unique solution, only one solution. So the answer is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So let us write the answer. Answer a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Now the third question. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has equal and real roots, no real roots, real and distinct roots, and D, imaginary roots. You know that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the values are positive. The value of b square minus 4ac is positive. Then ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has real and distinct root. You know that if this is equals to 0, the roots are equal and reals. And if it is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. So what is the answer here? Answer, you write the answer C, roots are real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. Now now you take, if cos A equals 4 by 5, then sec A equals, secant A equals, know that the reciprocal of cos is secant. Reciprocal of cosecant is secant. So you take the reciprocal, this is 5 by 4. So you will get secant A equals 5 by 4. Therefore the answer, you take, answer is 5 by 4. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4 because cos A and sec A are reciprocals of each other. Then the second question, fifth question, write the formula to find the total surface area of the frustum of cone. That is formula, you know, TSA of total surface area of frustum of cone. Frustum of cone equals, what is that? Pi into R1 plus R2 into L, that is LSA, plus area of bases 5R1 square plus 5R2 square. That is the total surface area. This is the lateral surface area and this is the area of one base. This is the area of the other base. So you will get 5 into R1 plus R2 into L plus 5R1 square plus 5R2 square. This is the formula to find the total surface area of the frustum of cone. Then find the distance between point -3,4 and the origin. You know the distance formula when the points are x1, y1, x2, y2. Here the origin means, you know the coordinates of the origin 0, 0. And if you take, these are the x and y, then the formula, distance formula, you know, distance is equals to square root of x square plus y square. That is the distance between a point and the origin. Point and the origin, that equals square root of 3 minus 3 whole square plus 4 square. That you will get 9 plus 16, square root of 9 plus 16 is 25, that equals 5. So the distance between -3,4 and origin is 5 units. 5 units. Next, seventh question you take. Find the value of tan 45 degree plus sin 90 degree. Here you take tan 45 degree plus sin 90 degree. Then what is the value of tan 45? You must know the value, that is 1, plus what is the value of sin 90 degree? The value of sin 90 degree is also 1. So then you will get 1 plus 1, 2. That is tan 45 degree plus sin 45 degree is equals to what? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Then write the formula to find the area of a triangle with the vertices of coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let us write the formula for the area of the triangle with the vertices of the given coordinates. So you write area of triangle equals 1 by 2 into, write x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here x1, y2, y3, and here x2, y3, y1, then x3, y1 and y2. See the order here. You must know the order perfectly. By knowing the logic, you can write the formula easily. So here half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is the formula to find the area of the triangle with the vertices of the coordinates. The next question, answer the following. Find the sum of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus so on to 10 terms using the formula. Here consider 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus so on to how many terms? 10 terms. You have to find the sum. Now you find the first term. First term is A, that is A1. A is equals to 5. And D is second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 5. Second term is 8. First term is 5. So we write 8 minus 5 equals 3. Then N equals, we have to find the sum of 10 terms. You write N equals 10. So S equals question mark. Then you write the formula for S. S equals, what is that formula? N by 2. S equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Then N is 10. 10 by 2 into 2 into A is 5, right? Plus you write plus only. N means 10. N is 10 minus 1. D is 3. In the place of 3, D you write 3. That equals 10 by 2 is 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then you write 2 5s are 10 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 3. Then 5 into 10 plus 9 3s are 27. So it is 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37 equals 37 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 18. So here got the sum 185. So what is the sum of the 10 terms? The sum of the 10 terms is 185. Now the 10th question. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Already we learned the construction. If you are having doubt, you go through the playlist of this channel after subscribing it and learn the construction made by a student. Observe the construction made by a student and learn and practice. You will get 2 marks. Now let us go to the next question. Evaluate sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. To evaluate this, you must know the value of sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. Without knowing the value, it is not possible to simplify or evaluate this one. So first you practice the value of all these and after that you can solve it. So you write sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. And you substitute the values of all these. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? That is also root 3 by 2. Here sin 60 degree, cos 30 degrees are having same values. Here sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree are having same values. Sin 30, cos 60 are same and sin 60, cos 30 are same. Plus you write sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Then you write equals. You know that 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it becomes 3 by 4. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. And 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. Then that equals. Here the denominators are same. So take them as a LCM. The LCM is 4. And add the numerators. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4 you will get 1. So the value of this is 1 you got. Next let us take now the 12th question, solve by factorization method. This is a quadratic equation. It is a trinomial. LHS is a trinomial. You know the method of factorizing the trinomial by splitting the middle term. So you take the sum and the product. The product is x square into minus 10. That is PQ. Product means PQ. You take minus 10 x square. P plus Q. P plus Q is minus 3x. Minus 3x. Then you take minus 10x square, the factors. You know that 5 2s are 10. As the product is negative, the factors are having different side and the greater factor is having the sign of this middle term. So you have minus plus minus 5x plus 2x. So it is x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals 0. Now you remove the common from the 2 2. Here you take the common. What is common here? Know that x square is there, 5x is there. You can remove x as a common. X in the bracket, x square means x is outside. In the bracket you will get x minus 5. Plus here 2 and 10 is there. What is common? 2 is common. Remove that outside. In the bracket, what you are going on? Here x is remaining. X you write minus. You know that 2 5s are 10. So here x minus 5 equals 0. Then here x minus 5, same factors are there. Remove that outside as a common. X minus 5. Here what is remaining? X plus. Here what is remaining? 2. So you got x minus 5 into x plus 2. Now equate each factors to 0. Equate x minus 5 to 0. You will get x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Then x equals 0 plus 5 it becomes 5 or x equals 0 minus 2 minus 2. So you got the two roots, x equals 5, x equals minus 2, that is by factorization method. In this way you solved it by factorization method. Now the 13th question, solve by using quadratic formula. So to take the quadratic equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. This is the given quadratic equation. We have to solve it by using the quadratic formula. Before writing the formula, find the values of a, b and c. Then here what is the value of a? A is the coefficient of square, that is 2. So you write a equals to b. B is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? That is minus 2. Minus 7. Coefficient of x is minus 7. Then c equals 3. Now you write the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That equals minus b is, so write minus minus and in the place of b you write minus 7. So it becomes minus of minus 7. Then here you got minus b. Then you write plus or minus whole root. In the place of b square you write minus 7 whole square because b is minus 7. Then minus you write minus 4. And in the place of a you write 2. The value of a is 2. And in the place of c you write 3. 4ac means 4 into 2 into 3. By 2 divided by 2a means 2 into 2. That equals, here minus of minus 7 becomes plus 7. So you write this is 7. And you write plus or minus whole root. Minus 7 whole square is 49. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. It is minus 24. Then 2 2s are 4. So you got x equals 7 plus or minus whole root of 49 minus 24 is whole root of 25 by 4. That equals x equals 7 plus or minus, what is the value of square root of 25? You know that 25 is a square of 5. So square root of 25 is 5 by 4. That equals, here 7 plus or minus 5 is there. So you write 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or x equals 7 minus 5 divided by 4. Here plus you take first, then you take minus because here plus or minus is there. Then x equals 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 by 4. Or x equals 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 4. Then you will get x equals 4 1s are 4 3s are. So you got 3, or x equals 2 1s are 2 2s are. You got 1 by 2. In this way you solve the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0 by using quadratic formula, and you got the roots x equals 3 and x equals 1 by 2. Then the 14th question, find the distance between the points minus 5 7 minus 1 3. So you take the points A is minus 5 7, and take the point B is minus 1 3. So they are x1 y1. You take, these are x2 y2, or otherwise you write above the points here x1 y1 x2 y2. Here we have to find out the distance between the point. You write the distance formula. What is the distance formula? That is AB is equals to square root of, AB you can write or D you can write. Know that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance formula is whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you write square root of x2. x2 is minus 1 minus 5, that is minus of minus 5 whole square, and you write plus y2. y2 is 3 y1 minus 7 whole square. That equals square root of minus 1 minus 5, that is it becomes minus 1 plus 4 plus 5. Minus of minus 5 is minus 1 plus 5 whole square, plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So it is greater number, minus 7 is having negative sign. So 3 minus 7 whole square is minus 4 whole square. Here you got minus 1 and minus minus is plus 5 and 3 minus 7 is 4. Then you write minus 1 plus 5 is 5 minus 1, 4 square, plus this is also 4 square, that equals square root of 16 plus 16, that equals square root of 32 units. Square root of 32 units. Also you can write this can be splitted as 16 into 2. 32 can be splitted as root 16 into 2. Root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4 root 2 units. The same here. Root 32 units is same as 4 root 2 units. 4 root 2 units. So here you got the distance between the points A and B. That is by using the distance formula. Now you take 15th question. What is that question? Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. The equations are x plus y equals 14, x minus y equals 4. Now let us take these two equations are x plus y is equals to 14, x minus y equals 4. Now you consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Here we have to eliminate any one of the variable, and it is easy to eliminate the variable which are having same coefficient directly. Now you observe the coefficients of each variable in both the equations. Here the coefficient of x is 1, here also the coefficient of x is 1, and here the coefficient of y is 1, here also the y is 1, but they are with the opposite sign. Now you cancel any one of the variable easily. Here if you want to cancel the y, they are having opposite sign with the same coefficient, so you cancel them by adding them. Or if you want to cancel x, they are having the same sign with the same coefficient. So as they are having same sign, we have to subtract one equation by the other to cancel it x. So now it is easy to cancel y, as you can do first plus second. So you write by first plus second. So first one is x plus y plus x minus y, LHS plus LHS, 14 plus 4. This plus this equals this plus this. Now x plus y plus x minus y equals 14 plus 14 plus 4, 18. Now you cancel this plus x and minus y, then x plus x, 2x equals 18. Here the sum of this x and x, you will get 2x. 2x equals 18 you got. Now you got a linear equation in one variable x. Now you find the value of x. So you solve for x, that is x equals 18 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 9s are, then you will get x equals 9. Here you got the value of one variable. Now we have to get the value of the other variable y. So take any one of the equation and substitute the value of x, what you got here. So let us take the first equation, x plus y equals 14. Here the first equation is x plus y equals 14. So you write here by substituting x equals 9 in the equation 1. So you write x plus y equals 14. Then x value write 9 plus y equals 14. Then y equals 14 minus 9. Then y equals 14 minus 9, that is 5. Y equals 5. So you got the value of x and y. X equals 9 and y equals 5. Here Know that 9 plus 5 14 and 9 minus 5 4. You got the value of x and y. That is by the elimination method. Next, let us go through the 16th question. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It is a first theorem of the circle chapter, and it says the relation between the radius at the point of contact of the tangent. Radius at the point of contact of a tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. So that you have to prove. This theorem is already proved in the circle chapter. Go through the playlist of the circle chapter and learn the theorem. If you learnt already, that is okay, you write it by your own. But if there is any doubt, go through the circle chapter, go through the playlist of the circle chapter and learn the theorem. Now the question, 17th question, draw less than type ogive. Here you observe the column, daily income is given and number of workers are given. And here it is less than type ogive and it is given less than 100, less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. Here there is no class interval is given, and the number of workers less than 100 0, less than 120 8, less than 140 20, less than 160 34, less than 180 44, less than 200 50. Totally there are 50 workers, and it is a CF. As it is given less than 100, less than 120 means it is a cumulative frequency. We have to draw the ogive graph, that is less than type ogive, that is taking this 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 on the x-axis and this cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Here there is no necessity of adding the frequency already, that is cumulative frequency is given, so don't add this because here already said that less than 100, less than 120, how many workers are there, no need of adding the frequencies, and it is a cumulative frequency. Now we have to draw the graph, this against this. Now let us draw the less than type ogive graph. Now let us take this daily income 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 on the x-axis and 0, 8, 20, 34, 44, 50 on the y-axis. Now let us mark the origin here, and here 100, 120, 140, 100. Here you know that 120, 140, 160, 180 is there. So you take 140, 160, 180, 200, 220 also you can take 240. So here 0 is here, 100 is here. So here, now let us take the contraction here, because directly here 0 is there and next got 100 here. So here let us take the construction, and the scale is taken on the x-axis. Scale, what you have taken, 1 centimeter equals here 20, 20, 20, 20 you have taken. So let us write 1 centimeter equals how many you have taken a scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter equals, that is daily income is, that is in rupees. So we have taken 20 rupees. Rupees 20, let us write, that is rupees 20. Then on y-axis, the maximum is 50. So here how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is okay. So you can take 5 workers equals 1 centimeter. On centimeter equals 5 workers. 1 centimeter equals 5 workers. You take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So you take 100 0. It is 100 0 means it comes here. Then 128. 120 is there. 6, 7, 8. 128. Next 140. 140. 140 is how much? 20. Then 160, 34. 160, 31, 32, 33, 34. So let us mark 34 here. Next 180, 44. So you take 180 is here. 44 means 1 less than 44, 5. So it comes here. And 200, 250. So here 250 means it comes here. Now let us join the points here. Here it is less than type ogive. Less than type ogive. And here you write the scale on y-axis. The scale we have taken 1 centimeter equals 5 workers. 5 workers. So you got the ogive which is less than type ogive. Here the daily income versus number of workers is drawn taking the upper limit on the x-axis, that is the daily wages on x-axis and number of workers on y-axis. That is the less than type ogive. Here once again it is clear that no need of adding the frequencies. It is already added. Cumulative frequency is given as there is less than word. So here you mention on the y-axis what you have taken, number of workers. Here we have taken number of workers. Here we have taken what I have taken, daily income. It is daily income. Now the question number 18. What is that question? A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Here number of plants in terms of class intervals are given 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14 with the same size, with the same width. Then the number of houses, here 0 to 2 plants are from one house, 2 to 4 plants from 2 house, 4 to 6 plants from one house, 6 to 8 plants from 5 houses, and 8 to 10 plants from 6 houses, 10 to 12 plants from 2 houses, 12 to 14 plants from 3 houses. Now let us write the number of plants which is in terms of class interval and number of houses which is nothing but frequency in vertical column. So you write number of plants and number of houses. Number of houses. This is in terms of class interval. This is nothing but frequency. Now let us write these two columns here. The first one is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Then you come to the second column, number of houses, that is nothing but frequency. So you take that is Fy. Now the frequencies are 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. So you write 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, the corresponding frequencies. Now here we have to find the class marks xi. Class mark xi. You know the method of finding the class marks. Add the lower limit and upper limit and divide that sum by 2. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Next, you can have 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2 equals 3. So you write 3 here. Then again 4 plus 6 by 2. 4 plus 6 by 2, that is 10 by 2 equals 5. So you write 5. Here all the classes are having same class width. If they are having the same class width, then you can add that class width to the got number, that is class xy, to get the next class xy. But here it is better to add the lower limit and upper limit, and that sum is to be divided by 2. So you take 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. If 14 is divided by 2, you will get 7. Then 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. Then 10 plus 12, 22. That is 10 plus 12 by 2, 22 by 2, you will get 11. 11 you write here, 11. Next 12 plus 14 divided by 2. 12 plus 14 divided by 2. 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 by divided by 2 is 13. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Then next column we find Fi xi, the product of Fi and xi. So it is very simple, 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. 1 into 5, 1 5s are 5. Next 5 7s are 5 into 7, 35. Then 6 9s are 54. Then 2 11s are 22. Then 3 13s are 39. Then you find summation of Fi xi, and here the summation of Fi. And already it is said that there are 20 houses, and the sum of this must be equals to 20. Verify here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. Here you find the sum. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 9, 32. 32. Here 3 is carry. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 3 16. 13 plus 3 is 16. Then you write the formula for mean. Mean equals, that is by the direct method, mean equals x bar equals summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Then summation of fi xi is 162, that divided by 20. So it is, you know that you will get 2 tens are 2 81s are 81 by 10 is nothing but 8.1. So you got that mean equals 8.1. You got the mean 8.1. 8.1 is the mean. Now the 19th question. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. It is a construction. This construction is also done in the construction chapter. Here we have to draw the tangents from the external point. And you draw the circle of radius 6 cm. And before that, you draw a line of 10 cm length. And with one end point as a center, if you name it AB, then with A as a center, draw a circle of radius 6 cm and draw a perpendicular bisector to the line and get the midpoint of that line. With that midpoint as a center, draw a circle which passes through both the endpoints of this 10 cm line with the center and the external point, and the point at which both the circle meet is the point of contact. So here first what you have to do, draw a line of 10 cm length, and with A as a center, draw a circle of 6 cm radius and get the midpoint of AB taking more than half. With A as a center, draw the curve above and below. With the same radius, with B as a center, draw the curve above and below. You will get a midpoint. And with that midpoint as center, with AB as a diameter, draw the circle and you will get the point at which both the circle meet is the point of contact, and join that point to the external point B. If you take that point is a B, then here you can mark it as P and Q. And this construction is done in the construction chapter, and follow the steps in that construction and do the construction. And the second one, that is the 20th question, that is also construction. Construct a triangle with sides 5, 6, 7 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. This is also done in the construction chapter. Follow the steps involved in the construction made in the video lesson and do the construction. Here also first we have to construct triangle with the given measurement of sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. And if it is a triangle, you name it as ABC, and with an acute angle at the point B or any vertex. If you take the vertex here and draw an acute angle, and with a convenient radius, here we have to do the 5 equal parts, because the 7 by in the ratio 7 by 5, in the 7 is the greater number, so we have to do the 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts, and here as it is improper fraction, you must extend it and join the fifth part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why you have to join the fifth part? Because in the denominator there is 5. So here you must join this fifth part to the end point. Again you must draw the parallel line to this line. You know the method of drawing the parallel line. Follow the construction video and do the construction. And here if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th part comes here. Again you must draw the parallel line to this line. That is, you know the method of drawing the parallel line to the given line. Follow the steps using the video and draw the parallel line. This also to be extended. So again you draw the parallel line. So by observing the method of drawing the parallel line to the given line through the given point and draw the parallel line, then you will get a triangle A dash B C dash, which is similar to the given triangle of measurement 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm side, and the sides of the triangles are in the ratio 7/5. So follow the video and practice the construction. Now come to the question number 21. Solve graphically. The equations are 2x plus y equals 8, x plus y equals 5. Now let us write the equations. 2x plus y equals 8, x plus y equals 5. Now let us convert these two equations y equals. So let us convert in the form of y equals. So you take the first equation, 2x plus y equals 8. So here the coefficient of y is 1. So you can convert it as y is equals to 8 minus 2x. Then you take some on 2 or 3 convenient values for x and find the corresponding values for y. So you take when x equals 0, y equals 8 minus 2 into 0, that equals 8 minus 0. 2 into 0 is 0, that equals 8. Then you take when x equals 1, then y equals 8 minus 2 into 1. 8 minus 2x means 8 minus 2 into 1 equals 8 minus 2, that is equals to 6. And next one, when x equals 2, then y equals 8 minus 2 into 2, that is 8 minus 4 equals 4. So you got the, for 0, 1, 2, you got the values 8, 6, 4. They are the corresponding values of y. Now let us have the column for x and y. The values of x are 0, 1, 2. So you write, we have taken 0, 1, 2 and the corresponding values of y are 8, 6 and 4. 0, 8, 1, 6, 2, 4 are the here values of x and y. So let us have the column here. Now you take the second equation, x plus y equals 5. So you write x plus y equals 5. Again the coefficient of y is 1. So convert it as y equals 5 minus x. Y equals 5 minus x. Then y, you take the convenient values for x. When x equals 0, y equals 5 minus 0 equals 5. When x equals 1, y equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. When x equals 2, y equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then you have the values x, y. X values are, we have taken 0, 1, 2 and the corresponding values of y are 5, 4, 3. Here 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. 0, 5, 1 4 2 3. This we got the column here. Now let us draw the graph to the equations 2x plus y equals 8 and x plus y equals 5. Now let us have the x-axis and y-axis, x dash and y dash. And here the maximum is 8 on the y-axis and maximum it is 2 on the x-axis. So let us have 1 centimeter equals 1 unit on both the axes. You write the scale 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So here we have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, like this way. You mark the numbers. Now the first point 0, 8, that is for the graph for the equation 2x plus y equals 8, the point is 0, 8. So 0, x value 0, so 0 is here, 8 means the value comes here. So mark the value. Next 1, 6, 1 is here, go straight to 6, 6 comes here. Then 2, 4, 2, 4 it is, so go straight 4. And now let us join the 3 points. Here you mark the point, this is 0, 8 and this is 1, 6 and this is 2, 4. Now let us join these 3 points to get a straight line. So this is a straight line of the equation 2x plus y equals 8. 2x plus y equals 8. Now you take the equation x plus y equals 5. The points are, first one is 0.5. The coordinates are first 0, 5. So you take 0 is here, 5 comes here, 0, 5. The second point, the coordinates are 1, 4. So you take 1, 4, 1 is here, 4 comes here. Then third, 2, 3. 2 is here, go straight to 3. So this is 2, 3 and join these 3 points to get the straight line. Now let us join these 3 points. And you got the straight line. This is what? X plus y equals, x plus y equals, what is that? 5. X plus y is equals to 5. And these 2 points meet at a point 3 and 2. So here first you write these points here, 0, 5, this is 1, 4, this point is 2, 3 and this is 3, 2. So both the straight line meet at a point 3, 2. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Therefore the solution you write, solution x equals 3, y equals 2. X equals 3, y equals 2. So if you verify, know that 3 plus 2 equals 5 you will get. And here 2 3s are plus 2. That is 6 plus 2 you will get 8. So the solution satisfies both the equation. So you got the values of x and y. X equals 3 and y equals 2. Now the 22nd question, state and prove Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem. It is 5 marks question. This theorem, the statement and proof of the Thales theorem, is discussed in the triangle chapter. It is a first theorem of the chapter. So you go through the playlist of the triangle and watch the video lesson and learn the statement and proof of the Thales theorem and try to prove yourself. It is already learned by you. So try to prove this theorem by yourself only, or otherwise you follow the video lesson of the triangle chapter in which the statement and proof of the Thales theorem is there. So you go through that video lesson and learn the theorem. And this is the practice question papers. It is a question paper containing some questions for the practice, and it is a daily practice question for the day 1. Next, let me give more number of practice questions, day 2, day 3, day 4, like this way. So children, in this video simple questions are solved, but there will be separate videos for the hard questions. Higher order thinking questions will be solved in the next videos. So you go through the simple questions first and be perfect in the solution of the simple questions, and then you can learn the hard questions, higher order thinking questions easily. So children, go through the video perfectly and try to learn all the solutions.